Hello, everyone. Today, I want to show you how our Google Sheets formula generator flow works. You can find this template in the Flow library and select the Formula Generator option. This flow helps you create custom Google Sheets formulas based on your needs, making it easy to handle complex calculations, data manipulations, or conditional logic. Simply input the details of your formula, and the tool will generate it for you. You can even make adjustments until you get the formula just right. Perfect for anyone looking to streamline their work in Google Sheets. For more details on how to build this flow, check out the video linked in the description. Thanks for watching.